Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I really like that. And if you're returning, how you doing today? In today's video, I would like to talk about how you can build a prepper pantry on just $10 a week. Now, one way to build that prepper pantry is, for just $10 a week, is what I would like you to do is to sit down and make a list of everything that you normally buy when you're grocery shopping. And then look at what you buy a lot of, okay? And then look at your prices. If it's like $2 or less, that's what you really want to focus on, okay? And there's rules to, like, prepper pantry and stuff like that, okay? You only want to buy what you eat, and you want to eat what you buy. And remember the rule that 1 is none, 2 is 1. So you want to go by that. Now say you only have one of these. You eat that. Now what do you have left? You have none. But if you buy 2 and you eat 1, what do you have left? You have 1. So those are not like really rules, but guidelines, I guess you could say, right? So at the end of every month, and all of your bills are paid, and you've got $40 left over, and you really want to start building your prepper pantry, what's some of the things that you would like to buy? Well, let's look at what you already buy. What do you already eat a lot of? Do you eat a lot of pasta? How about rice? Peanut butter and jelly for the kids? Macaroni and cheese? Now is the time to sit down and start making a list. So when you go to the store and you say, well, once a week we eat chicken salad. Okay. If once a week you eat chicken salad, instead of just buying 4 cans of chicken salad in a can, which is, for these cans, I paid $1.50. Let's buy 8 cans instead of just 4. So that's an extra $6. So deduct that from your $40 that you have to spend for your prepping. Let's look into breakfast foods. Let's look into some quick oats. This will literally feed you every single day for a month. Cornbread, biscuit mixes, rice, beans, mashed potatoes, pasta, stuffing. There's so many things that you can buy with just $40 a month. When I first started prepping, my very first prep shopping, if I put it to you that way, I spent $55. I came home with so much food, I looked at my husband, I said, where are we going to go with all of it? So there's so many things that you can really buy, but I really want you to look at what you already buy, because remember, only buy what you already eat and only eat what you buy. You don't want to look at other preppers' videos and they say, oh, well, look at all the Spam that I bought. And you're like, well, I don't eat Spam, but if he's buying Spam, I guess I should buy Spam. If you don't eat it, why are you going to buy it? You going to eat it after the fact? No. I know I won't. And then I've had people say to me, well, if SHTF happens, you're going to be begging for that can of Spam. Honestly, I'd rather eat grass, but that's just my opinion. Everybody is different. Everybody preps different. Keep that in mind. What you buy is going to be completely different from somebody else. I'm just giving you ideas. I'm not saying you must buy this Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. No. I honestly bought that because of Thanksgiving dinner and for Christmas dinner. But I'm just saying is all. You have to look at what you already buy. Buy one or two more of what you already buy until you get up to that $40 and then stop. There's no need to go overboard unless you have the means. And then once you get a hold of everything and you start to get comfortable in this prepper lifestyle, and say for Christmas this year, someone gives you a monetary gift, and you say, well, I really don't need anything, but gee, I'd really like to add to my prepper pantry. Well, then that's what you do. Because, not for nothing, I know that my parents always send me and Sean money every year for Christmas. So guess what we're going to do? It's going to go right into our prepper pantry. So, look at what you already bought. And I know I keep reiterating myself, but it is so important that you remember this. Only buy what you already eat. If you don't eat tuna, why are you going to buy it now? If you don't eat Spam, why are you going to buy it now? If you don't eat oatmeal, why are you going to buy it now? If you're a vegetarian, you're not going to want to buy canned chicken. You know what I'm saying? So, this prepping takes a lot of thought. And I know you're capable of doing this. Okay. I'm going to end the video. And if you need to get a hold of me, either get a hold of me in the comment section, because I'll always answer you. Email me, butterfly030807@gmail.com. And I'll respond back to you. I always do. Okay? Have a great day. I love you. Stay safe. Stay positive. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.